Hey guys, welcome back to Econ Electric. This is Daniel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a motor for a whole house fan that burned out. It's an easy process, but if you don't know how to do it, call an electrician. If you live in Sacramento area, you can just call me. All right, let's do it. First thing you're going to have to do is disconnect the power inside the box, the junction box that you have at the motor. Very simple. And then you're going to have to take these screws off that is holding the motor in place. And this way you're going to be able to take the motor out and take it down so you can remove the propellers. Once you have the motor down, you're going to take it outside, and depending on the model, it's going to be easy or hard depending, like I said, but basically you're going to have to get a screwdriver, and with the hammer you're just going to bang it in there so the motor comes out. My specific model, it wasn't easy. They had that rubber gasket in place there and it was holding the thing, but that's the new motor that's going to go inside there. Basically what I had to do is just bang on it until it came out. After the propeller's out, there's the new motor. You'll see it's got a flat surface. That's where the screw is going to be setting in place to hold the propeller. So if you put the propeller, the new one in just went really smooth, and then that's where you're going to put the screw to hold the propeller in place so it doesn't fly off. There's another hole that you're going to have to install the screw to really hold that propeller in place so it doesn't fly off. And then you see the wires that you're going to reconnect to the wires up in the junction box. And then you're gonna have to place it in the same location where the existing one was. My next step was to install the propeller with the screws over there. You see they have a flat head, so you're just gonna have to basically get maybe like a channel lock or a crescent wrench to tie those down. Now you want to really tie those down really hard because that thing is spinning and you don't want that thing to fly off in the attic. After it's done, you're going to take it and you're going to try to place it in where it's supposed to be. Now, the reason why I installed the propellers first is because they are holding the motor in place, so I don't have to hold it with one hand and work with the other. But this way, it stays there, and you're able to connect all the wires and put the screws back in there. Once you have the screws, make sure they're tight, and then make sure that the propeller is tight in place and it spins. Now you're going to have to reconnect the wires. There's a bushing that you have to put in that hole, plastic bushing, and then you're going to have red to red, black to black, white to white. This is for this specific type of fan. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this useful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified on my next video. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.